Hey everybody, my name is Tyler Watson with Hali's Angels, the Hali Gillin group, and this is another tour time with Tyler. Let's check out our newest listing. So this is our newest listing. We just put it on the market. It's 9288 Miralinda. This house is amazing. Don't let the low roofline fool you. This actually has a loft upstairs. It is so neat. 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,548 square feet. 3-car garage. Let's take a peek at this one. This shows like a model. No, it is not a model. There are people living here. We're gonna give you a quick tour. We're right into the entry area. I will be right back with you. I'm gonna put some booties on while we walk through the house, but I'm gonna love to share this tour with you. Alrighty, entering in the house. We've got our booties on. But that's not what you're here to see. Again, like I said, this house is amazing. Built in 2016, 4-bed, 3.5 bath, over 3,500 square feet. This is basically single-story living with the bonus of having a loft upstairs. I'll have to show you. It's a really neat layout. Built by Party Homes. Right here, coming in, you have your laundry room. It's really nice. They've got the nice washer dryer on the pedestals. You have upper cabinets, you have the lower cabinets, you have the folding area, the sink. This is neat too. You have the drying rack in case you want to hang dry your delicates. Let's come back out of here. So again, door down this hallway right here, down to that hallway. We'll take that here in a minute. Right here you have the first bedroom, nice size. Again, it's crazy. This house shows like a model. You know, there are people actually living here. Nice big window. Right here, you have walk-in closet. Nice size. Swing back around so you can see everything. Nice ceiling fan. 9-foot ceilings throughout the house. There are some higher ceilings by the stairs, but we'll show you that here in a minute. Down the hallway right here, you have your coat closet. Right here you have your linen closet. Continuing on down the hallway, you have the second bedroom. Right now it's being used as an office. Right here would be the other walk-in closet for this room. Now this walk-in closet's nice. It's really big. Coming into the room. So like I said, they're using this as an office currently. Very nice size. Again, really nice ceiling fan, nice high ceilings. Let's take it into the first bathroom right here, right up front. Nice quartz countertops, really nice cabinetry. And then you have a second door leading into the toilet, shower area. Shower tub combo. It's nice you have the light over the tub. Sorry about that, like I said. Very nice counters. Nice cabinetry. They have stone all throughout the house. There's a couple little carpets here and there. The upstairs is carpeted. But let's get into the main portion of the house. So right here is your 3-car garage. They epoxy coated everything. Love it. I want to do this to my house. Over there you have your tankless, or sorry, excuse me, not tankless water heater. You have your water heater plus your water treatment. This is soft water. Out here in Vegas, if you don't know, we have extremely hard water. We have all the built-ins. Love this epoxy. Let's bring it back into the house. So right across, they've turned this into another office. with the sliding barn doors. So you can see everything. The ceilings in here are so high. They're probably, I don't know, 18, 20 feet. It's really neat. Right here, you could use this as a formal dining room. You could use this as a family room. You could use this as a multi-purpose room. I like how they did it. They turned it into an office space. This is amazing. It's incredible how well organized everything is. I need some of this in my life because I am nothing like this. But this is a big room. This is a very nice room. As you can see, a couple desks even here and here. You could easily fit 8 people at a dining table in here, probably even 10. Well, if you include the ends, 12 maybe. So this is neat. You can go down this hall. The third bedroom's down right here. You can continue on right here into the living room. Let's go over here first. You can sneak into the kitchen right here. Right here, you have the second bathroom. This bathroom is massive. This could be a master bathroom. Really big. Again, nice high ceilings. This one does not have the tub though. It's a shower. Toilet, sink, again, the nice quartz countertops. Nice fixtures. Nice cabinetry. Right here, everyone knows this as the famous or infamous Harry Potter room. You have more storage right here. Tons of storage in this house. Swing back around, right across from that. Again, another bedroom. They're currently using it as an office. Nice sized bedroom. Big window, lots of light. Swing back around so you can see everything. So you can sneak into the kitchen. I'll give you a little preview, but I don't want to take you that way. We're gonna go this way so you get the whole grandiose effect. So very, very open living in here. Right here, massive living room, huge. TV center, nice ceiling fan again. So this is neat. They have the sliding doors here that lead into the backyard. I'll take you out there in a bit. And they have the sliding doors over on that side so you can open up this whole pocket. Let's swing it around to the kitchen. Amazing, amazing kitchen. It's got the nice big cabinets, huge island. This is a continent. Could lose stuff in the middle. Custom backsplash. Walk you around this way. Really, really nice appliances. Everything's GE. So your 5-burner stove. You have your hood. Tons of counter space, tons of cabinet space. Right here. Coming back over to the island. Again, all the cabinetry's underneath. The neat thing about this island is it really overhangs. I'll try to give you a good view. Tons of room for those bar stools. You can even bring them around on the side. Right here they have the under-mounted sink. You have your dishwasher. More cabinetry. Little nook over here. You can turn it into a little breakfast bar area if you wanted to. You could use this as a like coffee bar. You could use over there as the coffee bar. There's tons of cabinetry. Nice 3-door fridge. Right over here, they opted for the oven and microwave. And then again, you could sneak out here. Right back down there is that bedroom we just came from. Coming back over here, the pantry. Nice size walk-in pantry. Let's take you back around through here. So you saw the living room over here, kitchen. Love how open this is. You have the open dining room right here. If you wanted to make it more formal, you could put it in the other room. But this is a big table. It may not look like it on camera, but this thing's huge. This whole room's huge. Love the ceiling. And again, there's the other door leading outside. Tons of glass on this side of the house. We'll go back out there so you can see this awesome outdoor living they have right here. The ceiling fan, the TV, all out there. Let's take it over to the master first. Master's on this side of the house. Big room. King size bed. You could put a sitting area in here. They have the TV. Lots and lots of glass in here. Close the curtains. Make it nice and dark. Nice ceiling fan. Over here, what they did was they did the barn door into the bathroom. This bathroom is amazing. Huge tub. I mean, massive tub. Big shower. Right over here is the toilet. Swinging around so you can see the counters. Nice his and hers, or whoever's and whoever's, however you want to decide it. But I know my girlfriend would like this. I wouldn't be intruding on her space. Into this is neat. This is a mirror right here. So they have a mirror on the door. They've done custom cabinetry throughout this. Big master closet. Love this bathroom. So I'm gonna take you upstairs first. So we came through the main entryway. I'm gonna go through this little peekaboo area, and then we'll take it outside and I can show you the backyard. So there's only 12 models in this entire complex. The complex is 102 homes that have the upstairs. Not many have it. HOA is $72 a month. If you'd like to see this or any other homes in the area or anywhere in Las Vegas or Henderson, do not hesitate to call me. All my information is in the description below. Also, by the way, I have a new app that will give you direct MLS access. I'll put that in there. So this is awesome. I've had a couple different clients who come by to see this, and everyone has a different idea of what they want to do with it. I've had some families come by who said this is the perfect kids playroom. I've had some other people come by and said this is a man cave. It just depends on what you want. You could really do anything with this space. It's big. As you can clearly see, they have the TV. This is neat. So there's a little tiny closet right here. I was told that the builder made this specifically to fit your Christmas and Halloween and all your other decorations. They just slide right on in and you can go all the way to the ceiling. So all those totes, all those bins, just put them right there, not have to worry about them. I would love that. I have the Costco hangers in the garage, and every time you want to get them, you have to get the ladder out and you have to install. That was a pain to do that. But nice little wet bar right here. You have the wine fridge. This is pretty neat up here. You have a closet, big one too. And you have straight across, we have some shelving, and then you have a powder room up here. So you don't have to keep going up and down, up and down. Again, nice quartz countertop. Awesome cabinetry. This is neat. I guess if you wanted to turn this into a guest room, you could. They wouldn't have a shower, but multi-purpose room, anything you really wanted to do. This would be neat for a football game, hang out, relax. All right, so you've seen upstairs. Let's go downstairs and check out the backyard. Again, just so you can see how high these ceilings are. It's a big space right here. So again, coming through the living room, kitchen, dining room, into the backyard. Let's open it up, let's see. Oh, it's unlocked. So this space is awesome. They have the TV mounted, they have a whole sitting area. As you can clearly see, all sorts of chairs. They even have one of the volcano fire pits. That's cool. Up top, they have the nice outdoor fan. You have the barbecue, you have a patio. This is Vegas living. This outdoor covered patio is huge. This is bigger than a bedroom. Coming on back, they've done the synthetic grass all around. Really nice. They have a sitting little lounge over there, little dog run. This is a nice place to hang out. Let's see if I can get the covered patio portion, just so you can get an idea of how big it really is. Awesome, awesome home. So I hope you enjoyed that tour time with Tyler. Again, all of my info is in the description below. If you want to download my free app, gives you free direct MLS access. It will be down there as well. I hope you enjoyed this one. This house is absolutely incredible. Have any questions? Please message me, call me. Hope to hear from you soon.